I'm John Scholander, President and CEO of Syncron EMS, and Syncron is a manufacturer of printed circuit assemblies in low to medium volume. We assemble printed circuit boards, and printed circuit boards are used virtually everywhere. So our customers include medical, defense, aerospace, industrial controls, green energy projects, LED lighting projects. So it's a healthy mix of business distributed across a lot of different market segments. In 2008, we received a Department of Defense grant for a lean factory transformation. That allowed us to eliminate the 7 most common forms of waste found in a manufacturing environment. As a result, our typical manufacturing cycle time is 2 to 3 days from when we have a complete kit of materials in our shop. Our customers like our really rapid turnaround. We turn product very quickly through the facility because of the way we implement lean in our factory. Once we're clear to build, an assembly goes all the way through the process very quickly and out the door to our customer. Materials don't come in until we need them, and once we need them and the kit's complete, we get it out on the line and we build it, typically deliver in 1 to 3 days. Our daily production volume for any customer could range from 2 or 3 pieces of a prototype unit through continuous flow production of up to 5,000 assemblies per day. Syncron's engaged in manufacturing in a number of different market segments. They range from defense, medical, aerospace, industrial controls, LED lighting. That actually provides some assurances to our customers that we're not overly tied to any one industry segment.
I'm Rick Price. I'm Vice President of Operations here at Syncron. Some of the things that we do at Syncron that we take a lot of pride in is our value stream mapping and our lean implementations. We look at each customer's order from an NPI standpoint and map out the process. And in doing that, we eliminate a lot of the steps that we consider waste, so we can reduce the cycle time to our customers. Here in our Palm Bay facility, we have approximately 40,000 square feet, well-lit, clean environment that's conducive to manufacturing. We operate on 3 shifts, 24/7.
The Palm Bay area is a technology hotbed in the Southeast. We've got a number of high-tech manufacturers, and the workforce in the Palm Bay, Melbourne area has been great for us. Syncron introduced over 250 new products for our customers last year. Those customers came to us with a design, and we assisted with the product realization, bringing those products to the market in cooperation with our customer.